Good morning, students. How are you? I hope so. You all are fine as I am. How you enjoyed the holidays? I hope so. Very nice. But other than years, the previous years, we have enjoyed lots more than this year. As you know, pandemic is going on. So it's better we have to stay at home and we keep safe ourselves. So I hope so you have played indoor games like carom, chess, ludo, etc. And you have played on the mobile also, mobile games. Okay, so now come back for the study mood. It's okay, the entertainment is required, you have to enjoy, but the priority is your studies. So I'm coming on the point, as I am your mathematics teacher Manju Dangwal. I want to tell you what is mathematics. Do you know what is mathematics? Mathematics is a science which deals in different parts. Without mathematics, we can't assume our life. Okay, students? So think about it. When you born, okay, the doctors, the parents noted down your birth time. When a person died, that time also, that time was noted. Okay, so everywhere from our birth till our death, the mathematics is with us. So please hug it, please love it, don't hate it. Make it a passion. If you are making it a passion, it will give you a lot. Really, students, it will give you a lot. Okay, have you seen mathematics is used everywhere? If we are making our dress, the tailor is taking our measurement. There is mathematics. If you are going for the playing, okay, how much run you have made? What is the speed of the bowler? What is it? Everywhere, mathematics is there. You have seen when you are looking the matches in the TV channel. So there is a graph. What is it? In it also, mathematics. So my gist is that everywhere is math. So why we are hitting it? There is not a justice with the mathematics. So give it justice by doing practice. Mathematics is the subject which you can do with the practice. That's why I have written the thought, practice makes a man perfect. If you are doing practice, then you will get full marks. It's my assurance. If you are doing regular practice, you are grasping all the concept and you are revising every day, 100% marks you will be getting. If you are thinking, I will be leave today's work for tomorrow, काल करे सो आज करे सो अब, पल में प्रलय होएगी, बहुरी करोगे कल. इसका क्या मतलब है बेटा? कल का काम, आज का काम कल पर मत छोड़िए. आज का काम आज करिए. अगर आप काम नहीं करेंगे तो वो क्या होगा? एक पाई बन जाएगा. पाई बन जाएगा तो उसको रिमूव करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. अगर ढेर बन जाएगा तो वो एक मुश्किल काम होगा उसको हटाना. इसलिए हमें रोज के क्वेश्चंस की रोज प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए. ठीक है? नाउ आई एम कमिंग ऑन माय टॉपिक चैप्टर 3, स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट्स, क्यूब एंड क्यूब रूट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल बी कवर द टॉपिक स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट. What is the use where we can use square and square root? Do you know where we can use square and square root? Have you heard the word farmer? Very easy example I am taking, the word farmer. We are getting the crop from there. Okay, when the farmer is sowing the seed, from that time or when he purchased the land for the farming, from that time it is used. Means square and square roots is used for finding area. Why we are using? For finding area. Okay, and it is used to design the buildings. It is used to find out the side of the field. Everywhere it is used. So we can come on the topic. What is the meaning of square? Square. The word square you are hearing from the junior class means a figure which is having all the four sides are equal. Okay, if we are talking about this figure A, B, C, D, I am saying this is square figure because all the sides I am saying equal. Clear, student? So this is a square. And now we are talking about the area of square. What is it? Area of square. Side into side. That's right, student. What is it? Side into side. So we are assuming this is 5 centimeter. If this is square, so all the sides are same. 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Is it clear? So what we will be doing? 5 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter. So what it will be? 25 square centimeter. Or we can write it 25 centimeter square. Is it clear? Means the number multiplied by itself. The number multiplied by itself, this is square. Okay? So what is it? The number multiplied, we can define it. The number multiplied by itself. Is known as square. Like I am taking the example with the number. I have given 5 into 5 now. We can write 3 into 3. What is it? 3 square, which is equals to 9. Similarly, with the variable we can take x into x, which is x square. We don't know what is the number, so this is unknown. That's why we are taking it as a variable. This is x square. This is a square. Okay. Now, I want to tell you more thing about it. If I am writing 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. As we are doing square, square means 2. So this is, I am writing as it is. 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square and 10 square. Okay, 1 square means 1 into 1, which is equals to 1. 2 square means 2 into 2, which is equals to 4. 3 square means 3 into 3, which is equals to 9. 4 square means 4 into 4, which is equals to 16. 5 square is 5 into 5, which is equals to 25. 6 square is 6 into 6, which is equals to 36. 7 square is 7 into 7, which is equals to 49. 8 square is 8 into 8, which is equals to 64. 9 square is 9 into 9, which is equals to 81. 10 square is 10 into 10, which is equals to 100. Look, students, on the board, this is 1 into 1. This is 1 square. And 1 square, which is equal to 1. 2 square is 2 into 2, which is equals to 4. 3 square, 3 3s are 9. 4 square, 4 4s are 16. 5 square, 5 5s are 25. 6 square, 6 6s are 36. 7 square, 7 7s are 49. 8 square, 8 8s are 64. 9 square, 9 9s are 81. And 10 square, 10 10s are 100. Is it clear till over here? Nothing we have to do. We have multiplied the number by itself. Okay, now we are looking. The number 1 is there. After that, 2, 3 is there. It's not here. I have noted down. After that, 5. 5 is here. 6 is here. 7 is not there. And 8 is not. Okay, 9 and 10 is there. These 3 numbers. Which one? 2, 3, 7, 8. If the number is ended with these numbers, which is at the ones place, this is 0, this is 0, 4, this is 0, 9. So we can say 1 at ones place, 4 at ones place, 9 at ones place, 6 at ones place, 5 is at ones place, 6 at ones place, 9 at ones place, 4 at ones place and 1 at ones place. The number which are ended with these numbers, they will be a perfect square number. They will be perfect square number. And the number which is ended with these digits, they are never perfect square. If somebody is saying by observing, state that given number 70432, is it a perfect square number? No, because this is ended with 2. This is ended with 2. If the number is written 3, This is also not a perfect square because this is ended with 3. Instead of 3, this is 7. Again, we can say this is not perfect square. If 8 is there, this is also not a perfect square number because this number, last digit is 2, 3, 7, 8. From these 4 digits, any one number is there, so the number is not a perfect square. One more important thing, if the number is added with odd numbers of 0, odd number of zeros. Odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So the number will not a perfect square number. If I want to check 1000 is a perfect square number, no, because this is ended with, it is having 3 odd numbers of zeros. Not ended with, you can use, it is having 3 odd number of zeros. So this number is not a perfect square number. Is it clear, student? Now student, I will take one more example of column method. Column method will be followed only with the 2-digit number. Okay. So I am taking one more example. This is 52 square. Okay, 52 square. It will be also the same method will be followed. 52 square we are going to find out. What is A? Student, what is A? This is 5. 5 square. 2 into 5 into, what is B? What is B, student? It's 2. Yes, it's 2. This is 2 square. Okay, what is the meaning of 2 square, students? Yes, it's 4. Okay. Now students, I am going to explain you alternate methods of squaring numbers. We are having 2 methods in each. One is column method. Another is diagonal method. Okay, one by one I will tell you both the method. In column method, how we will find out the square of a number? See, if I am talking about column method, we are making 3 columns in each. Column 1, column 2 and column 3. Okay student, if we are talking about, just I am taking the number 39 square. Okay, what I am doing? 39 square. So we can write here A square, 2 into A into B and B square. What is A in it? A is 3 and B is 9. Okay, A square is 3 square, B square is 9 square, 2 into A is 3 into B is 9. Is it clear? Now what will we do? 9 square is 81. This is 9 3s are 27 and 27 2s are 54. Or you can make easy 2 3s are 6 and 6 9s are 54. Is it clear? And this is 3 3s are 9. We are having these numbers. So what we will be do? This is 2-digit number. So we will be take its 1's digit. What is it? I am going to erase this one. Okay, what is it? 1, I have written here 1. 8 will be carried over here. This is 62. 62, from 62 I am writing 2 and 6 will be here. This is 15. Okay, this will be shifted here as carry over. So this will be the square of 39. 39 square is 15. Now students, 2 5s are 10 and 10 2s are 20. 5 5s are 25. Okay, now what I told you, we will be take only first number, means if there is 1-digit number, we can put 0 and then we can make 2-digit number. What we will be take? 4. And 0 will be shifted here, carry over, means this is 20. From 20 we are writing only 0. 2. 2 will be carried over with the 25. This is 27. So what it will be? 2704. What is the square of 52? That is 2704. 4. So student, once again I am telling you, column method will be followed only with the 2-digit number. Next our method is diagonal method. To finding the square, that is diagonal method. It can be followed more than 2 numbers. I will start with the 2 numbers. Diagonal method. Okay, so I am going to find out the square of 42. How we will be? We will be make a box. I have make one box and it is divided into 2 parts vertically, divided horizontally also in 2 parts because we are having 2 numbers. 2-digit number. This is 4. Now as it is diagonal method, so we are drawing a line diagonal. Diagonal, what is diagonal? Which is joining two opposite vertices. Okay, this is also a diagonal. पता है ना सबको डायगोनल क्या होता है? जो अपोजिट वर्टेक्स को ज्वाइन करता है. अगर मैं इस कॉर्नर से इस कॉर्नर तक लाइन डालूंगी, दैट इज कॉल्ड द डायगोनल. सो सिमिलरली ऑफ दिस बॉक्स आई हैव ड्रॉन डायगोनल, ऑफ दिस बॉक्स आई हैव ड्रॉन एंड दिस कंप्लीट बॉक्स. Now what we will be doing? We will be multiply 2 4s are 8. 0 8 because this is a single digit number. So I am making it 0 8. 2 2s are 4 0 4. That's right. Now 4 4s are 16. 2 digit number 1 6. 4 2s are 8 again 0 8. Now we will be take out the sum. This is single 4 as it is. 8 plus 8 16. What is it? 16. What is it? 60. What is it? Now we will be find out the sum of 0 plus 6 plus 0. What it will be better? This is 6 and this is 1. What is it? 1. Similarly, we will be take single digit number as a 0 4, 0 6 and 0 1. So we will be take first number. This is 4. Its first number is 6. First digit is 6. And what is it? 1. 1 will be carry over here. 7. Okay, so what we will be write down? 4, 6, 7 and 1. What is the square of 42? This is 42 square is 1764. Clear students? What I have done? I have drawn the diagonals and then we have started to multiply. 2 4s are 8 0 8. 2 2s are 4 0 4. 4 4s are 16 1 6 16. 4 2s are 8 0 8. Because this is single digit number, so we are making it with 0, the 2 digit number. Now we have started to add. This is 4. 8 plus 0 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. And this is 1 as it is we have written. And I told you you have to take the single digit number. If this is like this is 4, so we will be write down directly 4. In it 16, this is 2 digit number. We will be write down only this 6 and 1 will be carry over with 6. This is 7 and 1. So that 1764, 1764. I will go with the 3 digit number. Now student, I am going to find out the 3 digit number square. This is 835 square. Okay, this is a big number I have taken so that you can understand. I will make one box. In that I will draw 3 columns. I have drawn 3 columns and 3 rows also. That's right. First column 8, 3, 5 and first row again 8, then second row 3 and third row 5. Opposite vertices we are joining. Better you will be draw with the help of scale and the pencil properly. Okay, so it should be neat and clean. 5 8s are 40. 4 0 40. 5 3s are 15. 1 5 15. 5 5s are 25. 2 5. Clear student? First row I have multiplied with 5 all the numbers 8 3 and 5 and I have written in this way. Now 3 by 3 we will be multiply all the digits. 8 3s are 24. 3 3s are 9 0 9. 3 5s are 15, 1 5. Clear? Now by 8 we will be multiplying. 8 8s are 64. 8 3s are 24. 8 5s are 40. Clear? This procedure we have completed. Now we are going to find out the sum diagonal wise. This is 5. What is it? 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 5 12. What is the sum of this diagonal? 12. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. The sum of this diagonal is 11. Now this 4 4 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. What is it? 16. Now this one 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 2 8. That's right, and this is single digit number, this is 6. Now what we will be doing? We will be write down 5. Okay, 5. Now what we will be take? 2 and 1 will be carry over here. This will be 12. 2. 2 and from here 2 we are writing again, and this 1 will be carry over here. Here. This will be added with 16. This is now 17. 17, 7 we will be write down, and 1 will be carry over here. This is 9. So we are writing 9, 6. What is the square of 835? This is 6,97,225. Is it clear, student? This is the method. Similarly, you can take 4-digit number, 5-digit number, but you have to ensure how you will be draw the box and the columns and then diagonals. Opposite vertex. This assume this is one square. So you have drawn one diagonal. Similarly, of this you have started this, joined this, and this one is joined with it. One box is this, its opposite vertices, and second box is this, its opposite vertices. Similarly, you will be draw the column and rows, then diagonals. Okay, students, I hope so. The concept is clear to you. The diagonal method also. Okay. Now, students, I have introduced to you both the method. Now, in your book, the example number 1 is given. Find the square of 52 by column method. So, I am going back to the side of column method. A is 5 and B is 2. Okay, so I'll be make the column. I told you make the column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay, student, I have to make the 3 columns. Now, this is A square, 2 into A into B. Second column is of 2 into A into B, and third column is of B square. What is A? 5 square. 2 into A is 5 and B is 2. That's right. Now B square is 2 square. B value is 2. Now we will be find out this is 4. 5 2s are 10 and 10 2s are 20, and this is 25. Now what we will be do? We will be take the single digit of the numbers. This is 4. This is 0. And 2 will be transported here, needs carry over, that is 27. So what is it? 2704. This is the square of 52. Is it clear? I have told you earlier also, because it is an example given in your book. So it's our duty that I have to explain you the example. That's why I have explained again. Now I will go for the example number 2. Okay, this is 825. I will go for example number 2. This is 825, but this is by diagonal method, not by column method, because this is 3-digit number. I told you only by the column method we have to take the 2-digit number square. Okay, this is diagonal method. But again I am making the diagonal method box, so you have to concentrate what the man is doing. This time I am making little bit big. Okay, students, I have made one box. And what I will do? I will draw 3 columns. First of all, 3 columns. That's right. Now 3 rows. First row, second row, and this one is third row. Now first column 8, second column 2, third column 5. Similarly, first row 8, second row 2, and third row 5. Now what I will do? I will be draw the diagonal. I am looking only for this box. This is and this. These two are opposite vertices. So I am joining in this way. Don't join in this way. Okay, beta? I am joining this way. Now this is one box. I will be joining its opposite vertex, and this one is second box. I will be joining this way. So this we can join with the help of a scale, and it should be in a continuity. Similarly, this and then this and then this one. Now this one and this one and this one. Is it clear how I have drawn? Clear, student? I hope so it's clear to you. Now I will start to multiply. 5 8s are 40. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Clear? Now 2 8s are 16. 1 6 16. 2 2s are 4. 0 4. 2 5s are 10. 1 0. Clear? 8 8s are 64. 6 4 64. 8 2s are 16. 1 6 16. 8 5s are 40. 4 0. That's why I have told you in the April month, from the April month I am saying learn the tables, and I am giving you the tricks also how to learn the table. So follow all the things. Now diagonal wise we will be add. This is 5. This is 2. This diagonal. Okay. Now this diagonal 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now this diagonal 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16, and 16 plus 4 is 20. Am I right? Okay. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. This diagonal. What is it? 6. And this is a single one. So what is it? 6. I hope so. Now this is more clear to you. I have drawn little bit big. Now what we will do? We will be take the single digit number. So I am writing here 5, but I have taken 5. Here but I have taken 2. Because this is single digit number, as it is we are writing 6. Now this is 2 digit number, so what will be take 0, and 2 will be carry over here. This 2. What is it? 8. And 6 as it is. So what is the square of 825? What is the square of 825? This is 6,80,625. Is it clear, students? Note it down. Now student, properties of square numbers. As I have introduced to you the 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. At that time I told you the numbers which are ended with 2, 3, 7, 8. They are never perfect square. They are never perfect square numbers. But it is given in the book. Don't get worried. It's written in the book. I will tell you the page number. This is page number 21. Properties of square numbers is written. So there is the properties are given. So I am telling you only go to the book, refer to the book to write down the properties. So the number which are ended with these digits, they are never perfect square number. Okay, next, if the number is with odd number of zeros like 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, they are never perfect square. Why? Because it is having odd number of zeros. If the number is written 105, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, this one is also not a perfect square number because it is having 5 zeros. In simple way we can say जिसमें ऑड नंबर ऑफ जीरोज होते हैं, जिस भी नंबर में ऑड नंबर ऑफ जीरोज होते हैं वो कभी भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं होते. दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज ऑल्सो रिटन इन योर बुक. नेक्स्ट So next property is the square of any odd number can be expressed as the sum of two consecutive positive numbers. Do you know what is the meaning of consecutive? Positive means plus, consecutive which are coming in continuity, like counting numbers. 1 after 2, 2 after 3, that is known as consecutive number. Just I am taking the square of 3, that is 9. 9 is the sum of two consecutive number, 4 plus 5, this is 9. Similarly, 5 square, this is 25. This is the sum of two consecutive number, 12 plus 13. Okay, consecutive number means, do you understand? Which are coming in continuity. 7 square, 49, which is 24 plus 25. Similarly, 11 square is 121, which is 60 plus 61. This is the property, the square of any odd number can be expressed as the sum of two consecutive positive numbers. Okay, students? Now, next property is a perfect square leaves a remainder 0 or 1 when divided by 3. Okay, just suppose I am saying 16 is a perfect square number because this is the square of 4. So, it is a perfect square number. If I am going to divide it by 3, 3 5s are 15. What it is giving us? Remainder as 1. So, that is the way to tell the perfect square leaves a remainder 0 or 1 when divided by 3. It is proved. Now, student, next property is the square of any natural number n. N means infinite. How many numbers we are taking? There is no limitation. So, I am taking natural number n equal to the sum of first n n odd numbers. Means the square of any natural number n, कोई भी natural number n होगा, equal to the sum of the first n odd numbers. Okay, like 1 equals to 1 equals to 1 square. Means if we are writing 0 plus 1, but it will be 1 and 1 square is 1. Next, 1 plus 3 odd numbers I am saying, consecutive odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, that is consecutive odd numbers. So 1 plus 3 is 4, which is square of 2. 1 plus 3 plus 5. 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9, which is the square of 3. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, which is equals to 16, and this is the square of 4. That is the meaning of this property. Students, you go through the book property. All the properties you have to write down in the book. Whatever main properties which you will be used further in the exercise, that property I have explained to you. But you will be write down all the properties in the notebook. Is it clear to you? Whatever the work we have done in this class, everything I want in the notebook. Clear? And your writing should be neat and clean as you are maintaining your mathematics notebook. So you will be draw the rough column. Positively you will be draw the rough column and its width should be 4 centimeter. How much? Students, we are doing one activity. In that I am going to tell you the trick to find out the square of a number. Within a second you can find out with this method. Like I have taken the 2-digit square. Okay, 2-digit number square we are going to find out. This is 32 square. What we will be do? 3 into 2 into 2. What is it? 3, 32, 3 and 2 and the square of 2. 3 into 2, 3 into 2 into 2. What is it? 3 to the 6 and 6 to the 12. Okay, now we are doing the square of 3 and the square of 2. 3 square is 9, 0, 9 and 3, that is the square of 2 is 0, 4. Because we have need to write down the 2-digit number, so we are making it 2-digit by adding the 0. Now, what is the product of 3 into 4 into 4? That is 12. Okay, and we are living one place. This one we have left. And after the, in next number, we are writing 2 and 1. That is, जो भी हमारा ये product आया था, उसको हमने एक digit छोड़ के लिख लिया. That is, what is it? Then 4, 0 plus 2 is 2, and 9 plus 1 is 10. So, what is the square of 32? That is equal to 1024. Okay, similarly, I have taken 74. What I have taken? 74. 7 into 4 into 2. ये 2 कहाँ से आ रहा है? जो power है. What is the power? That is the 2. So 7 4s are 20 and 28 2s are 56. Keep it in mind, we have to learn the tables again and again every time, as maths is based on the table. So we have to learn the table. Now we will be do square of 4, that is 49. Square of 4, that is 16. Now we will be leave first number and then we are writing the product, that is 56. Pehla number, first digit we will be leave and afterwards we have to write down the 56 and we will be add 6 as it is. 6 plus 1 is 7, 9 plus 5 is 44, carry 1, 4 and 1, 5. What is the square of 74? That is 5476. So we can do from 10 to 99. The same way we can find out within a second. Now, student, tell me any number. Okay, I am going to take out 89. What is the number? 89 square. Okay, what we are doing? 89 square. So, 8 into 9 into 2. What is it? 8 9s are 72 and 72 2s are 144. Clear? That's right. 8 9s are 72 and 72 2s are 144. Now what is the square of 8? 64. What is the square of 81? 9. 81. Okay, now 144 is there. We will leave this. So what we will be do? 4, 4, 1. 1, 12, 2, 8 and 1, 9, 7. What is the square of 89? This is 7921. Is it clear, students? So we can do in the same way till the 99. Is it clear? Now next I will be telling you 3-digit square, how you will find out within a second. Now students, I am going with the 3-digit number. Okay, as we are doing the square trick, so I am going right now with the 3-digit numbers. Okay, this is 213. We are estimating it with the 100 place. 213 estimated value will be 200 because this is less than 5, this is less than 5. So what it will be? 200. To make it 213 as 200, what we will be do? We will be subtract 13 and whatever we are subtracting, we will be add also. हमें 213 को 200 बनाने के लिए -13 करना पड़ेगा. जो हम माइनस करेंगे, that the same number we will be add. Okay, that whatever we are taking the number for the subtraction or adding, we will be take its square. What is it? 13 square. What is it? 169. Clear? हमारा क्या आ गया? 13 का square. We have taken the square of 13. This is 169. Now what is it? 213 minus 13 is 200. And 213 plus 13, that it will be made 226. We will be divided by 100. क्या करेंगे हम इसको 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो बट इट विल बी 2 into 2 26 we will be do. क्या करेंगे हम 226 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे so but it will be 452 and then 169 will be as it is. Now what we will be do? 2-digit number we will be take and 1 will be transported here, carry over here. 69 as it is we have written and 452 plus 1 is 453. So what is the square of 213? 13, that is 45,369. One more method I have taken, that is of 388. So we are going to make it estimated. What is the estimation value? This is 400 because it is nearby 400. If we are estimating it nearby 100, so what it will be 400. 400 बनाने के लिए इसको हमने क्या किया? Plus 12, and that is the same number we will be subtract. 12 if we are adding, so 12 we will be subtract. If we are adding 12 in it, what it is? 400. And when we are subtracting 12 from it, what it will be? 376. Then we will be divided by 100. So 0 will be cancelled out by 0. What it will be? 4 into 376. And the square of 12 we have done. Okay, slash डाल के हम क्या करेंगे? The square of 12. This is 140. What is it? 376 into 4, 1504. And what is it? 142. So 2-digit number we will be write down as it is, and 1 will be carry over here with the 1504. And when it will be added with 1, but it will be 1505. So what will be the number? 1,50,544. Is it clear? Okay, students. So I am giving you homework to you write down. Student, this is your homework. The activity you will be do. In this activity you will be write down square of first 10 3-digit numbers. By the trick you have to write down. Okay, the explanation of the trick I have told you. The same way you have to opt, and you will be do on A4 size sheet, that is colored sheet, but don't use dark color sheet, but because whatever you are writing, it's not properly clearly visible. Okay, and next your homework is write remember box, page number 22. Write remember box. Write remember box, page number 22, and it should be in your notebook. Okay? It should be in your notebook. In notebook. Okay? And learn the properties. Learn properties of square number. Learn properties of square numbers. Students, please make your homework presentable. Okay? So as sir told you how you have to do and how you will be send homework. So your father will be sign it and your mother will be look what you are doing. One first homework is activity that should be done on A4 size sheet. Second homework, write remember box. It is given in chapter 3, page number 22. That one work you will be doing in notebook. I have mentioned in notebook, and learn properties of square numbers. So you have to do, I hope so you have to understand each and everything properly. So you will be applying. Thanks and have a nice day, students.